What is up, you guys? Cameron here with another vlog. I hope you guys had a wonderful holidays and a happy new year. We are here down at the shop today to work on the driver's side skirt, as well as maybe the front bumper if we have enough time. My dad is here to help me once again. He's on the other side of the car. Kelsey here is here to supervise. Other than that, we're gonna get to it right now. Hope you guys enjoy. So in the last video you guys watched, we worked on the passenger side skirt as well as the rear bumper. We are going to work on the passenger side a little bit, as we do have a small gap that we can fix. And yeah, and then we're going to work on the driver's side. So I'll give you a quick rundown of everything right now, since we've had it seated and bolted on for a while. So this is the passenger side skirt. It's looking fairly good. We do have a little bit to trim here, and we have some material on the inside to trim to bring this up more. The rear bumper is still looking the same. The driver's side is a lot worse than this passenger side, but the passenger side isn't looking too bad. Looking a lot better than our very first fitment, that's for sure. So we're going to start off with taking off the side splitter that I have installed on this. We just have them bolted in, and then we'll go from there. We'll take the tape off because there's a little bit of double-sided tape in there, and then we'll take this side skirt off afterwards. So I thought I needed.
Moments later.
We just got the side splitter off. I will show you a little bit more of this process taking these off, because last time we didn't, but there's a screw here. It's already been taken out. Then we got bolts underneath, and then we got 2 screws on the end, on the rear end of the side skirt. And then I think there's 6 bolts underneath that we have to take out. Stand corrected, there were 7. Alright, so now that we have the side splitter off and the bolts taken out, we can start taking the side skirt off. Last time we broke a couple clips, but it's no big deal because an aftermarket one is going on afterwards and we don't need those clips. So we'll get to taking it off right now. So what we currently are doing is trying to line up the holes for when we mount them back up. These were screws by the wheel wells on the rear end, so we've just measured them. We think if we have it the same distance, we should get the same fitment along the body line, which kind of makes sense, and it should work that way. So just like the last one, we do have trimming to do along this edge as well as this edge in here. But other than that, it's looking pretty good. Pretty close. Pretty much the same as the passenger side there. So same amount of work, same quality, same fitment. So far so good. Alright, so we managed to get the driver's side skirt on. It's fitting a lot better than the passenger side one, that's for sure. I'll show you guys in a second. But we do have it bolted on, just the rear in the wheel wells, in the rear wheel wells, and in the front one. And yeah, so I'll give you a quick show of the fitment. It's not too bad, it's way better than the other side. As you can see right here. I'll show you the other side in a second. But as you can see, just a little bit of there, which isn't bad at all. So I'll go show you the other side right now. Show you what I mean. This is the front here. Looks pretty good. Same as the other side there. But this is the only fitment we have to work on this side. But other than that, they're both fitting pretty good. I'd give them a pretty good rating. I don't know, what would you rate them, Dad?
Solid 8.
There you go. 8 out of 10 is your rating for the side skirts. Oh, supervisor. What would you rate them?
Pretty cool.
Wow. Okay. But yeah, so these are the side skirts so far, looking pretty good. And I think we're gonna start tackling the front bumper now. So this is the OEM bumper. Hopefully next clip you'll see it taken off and test fitting the other one. Alright, so we have test fitted the front bumper a couple times. We do have a minor fitment issue in here. We do have trimming to do up here and as well over here. We do have them drawn out a bit on this side. This has got to get cut out, and then we're going to do the same over there. But other than that, it's not looking too bad. We did have trimming on the inside here. This actually fits right on here, which is kind of cool because it doesn't have that on the OEM bumper. But other than that, they got the shroud built in, not like the other one where it was 2 pieces. So it's looking all right. It's not perfect, and it's not the greatest, but so far it's not too bad. Alright, so we have the front bumper on and fitted. This is what the fitment looks like. It's not quite fully in yet. There's still a little bit of tabs that we have to get into here. But other than that, it's looking pretty good. We do have fitment here, is looking pretty nice. We also have this side over here. It's looking pretty good as well. And same thing with this side, we just have a little bit of tabs here to get in. And we're just buttoning it up for the day. I gotta give the car a quick rinse and then we're gonna drive it back home.
Missing someone